Hi everybody, I'm Keita Such a Beauty, and today we are doing this sleigh in our tutorial. I got some amazing PR packages in today, and if you watch the video, you'll see all the wonderful things that I got. But I'm going to show you some things that I got from Ariella Cosmetics, and I'm so excited to try them. I'm going to do a video tomorrow. It's going to be up on the lip scrub, because you know a lot of people have dead skin on their lips, which is something that I encounter especially in the wintertime. And you just kind of want to have something to where you can get that first layer of roughness off and kiss your mate and just be I have this body shimmer spray. I think I'm gonna try this right now. I want to see. It smells so good. Definitely feels like a moisturizer, that's for sure. Oh yeah, I like that. They go good with my makeup. Okay, so I also have nail cuticle oil. What I'm going to do for this, I'm going to cut my nails down all the way, and in about a month, depending on how much progress my nails have made, I'm gonna do, well, in a month, either way, I'm gonna make a review to let y'all know how much my nails have grown. I really wanted to get them done, but I really want to know if this works much more, because then I can just start back going to the nail shop and getting my real nails done, and that's way better. You know, it lasts longer. But anyways, this is my lip scrub. I can't wait to try this. I am going to try this in another video. And my lip gloss. When I do the lip scrub, I'm gonna do the lip gloss as well. But make sure for Ariella Cosmetics, the link is down below in the description. Make sure you use my code KEITA27 for a discount, and go check it out. We have eyelash growth enhancer. That's the newest product to drop. We have different kinds of lip gloss. We have a lot of amazing things. Just make sure you go check it out. I want to give a huge shout out to My Type of Style 24/7. They sent me these amazing earrings. I mean, whenever I saw the site, that was the first thing that just stood out to me were these earrings. So I'm thinking that it's the first thing that I might have commented on. And when I opened the package, I was just so excited, and I felt so blessed, because I was like, I've never had earrings this nice before, or weave this cute before. So it just really worked out. Plus I got some other new stuff in the mail today. Make sure y'all go check that out. They have an awesome sale going on right now. Make sure you check that. I think is 1 for $8, 2 for $15, and I think is 3 for $20, and $25 and up, free shipping. So make sure y'all go check that out before the end of the month, so you can catch that sale, because these are beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Just lovely. Okay, so I know that I didn't give you guys the tutorial of me putting on the lace front, but I did do a tutorial of the unboxing, and I'm not gonna be selfish because I didn't do what I said that I was gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and let you all know where I got this amazing synthetic lace front for only $38.99. Amazon. Yes, I have a new go-to. I don't really do wigs. I'm still learning how this whole lace front section thing goes. So don't talk about me. I'm gonna get it together. But I got this awesome wig. You know, that's a lot of hair. That's long. I have worn it about 3 or 4 times so far, and I just put water in it and I mousse it and I be good to go. It's dry right now and I'm looking flawless, like I got some real bundles in. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and add me on Facebook. Have a blessed day.